Welcome to the Reader's Rack Challenge, a team-building activity that blends creativity, collaboration, and CSR as teams transform a simple bookshelf into an organizational masterpiece. Step 1. Form teams to brainstorm the design and layout, balancing aesthetics with functionality. Step 2. Collaborate to assemble the bookshelf, ensuring every team member contributes. Step 3. Organize the books creatively, turning the shelf into a cohesive, visually appealing display. Step 4. Reflect on how teamwork, creativity, and purpose led to the successful completion of the challenge. Join us in the Reader's Rack Challenge, where creativity meets collaboration, and every book finds its perfect place, supporting a CSR initiative as the bookshelves are donated to local schools or community centers.